Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand the basic account structure, or you can say the basic layout of the Google Ads account that we had created in previous videos. Because it is very understand to know the hierarchy, to know the structure, and in order to understand this, I have a picture with me. So here is the picture, and first thing which you can notice is that on the top of this chart we have the account. Of course, the account is the only thing that you have. Yes, of course, the one email ID or one Gmail ID can have multiple account, but each Google Ad account will follow the same hierarchy. So on the top you have your main account, and then once you come into your account, you can of course create multiple campaigns. It is not only that you can create two campaigns, you can create multiple campaigns within the same Google Ads account. And if I go down, then for each campaign you can create multiple ad groups. You can create multiple ad groups, and in each ad group you can create multiple ad copies. Now the question comes that, sir, we understood that okay, there is an account and we can create multiple campaign for multiple objectives, let's say search ad, maybe display ad, maybe remarketing ad, but why is it important to create multiple ad group and to create multiple ad copies? Campaign is the level of account where you actually select the objective of your campaign, whether you want to generate leads, sales, app install, video views. What is your ultimate objective? Ad group is the level where you define who will watch this ad. It means your audience, your budget, your bidding strategies, all these things you cover under the ad group. Your keywords, these are the things which are covered under keywords. And the final is ad copy. It means what will be shown to the user who are watching your ad. What is the ultimate ad copy? What is the text? What is the image? What is the video? So final ad copy, call to action button, and the URL, everything else. So it is important that if you only create one ad group in every campaign, then Google Ad machine learning algorithm will not be able to test and experiment whether this ad copy is working, or if you would have created another ad copy that would have performed much better. So in every ad account structure, whether it is Google Ad, Facebook Ad, or LinkedIn ads, or Quora ads, any paid platform, it is always a good practice to create multiple ad groups or ad set to test different audience. And maybe that it is not compulsory that you create very huge difference in both the ad groups. Maybe the difference can be in terms of location, that can be in terms of LSI, or maybe the short broad keywords, or maybe anything else, or maybe the bidding strategies. So it is always a good practice to create multiple ad groups in a same campaign to test out which is performing better, and it gives a breathing space to Google Ads algorithm as well to test multiple things. And same rule applies for the ad copies. If user is only able to see one copy again and again, then there are high chances that he or she may not be converted, because for every user a different USP, a different ad copy matters, because some users are looking for, let's say, features, somebody looking out for the trust, somebody looking as for reviews, somebody is looking for price. So you cannot hook or convert every user with the same ad copy, and that's why multiple ad copies are recommended in each and every ad group. And the same account structure you can also see here in the Google Ads dashboard. So if I come onto the Google Ads dashboard, this is the home page which looks like this. And if you see here, I have an option to create a new campaign. I have an option to create new campaign. So as soon as I start creating new campaign, this hierarchy will follow on, that in a single campaign I can create multiple ad groups, and inside each and every ad group I can create multiple ad copies. Apart from that, if I talk about the account, overall account of your Google Ads account, this was a campaign structure. If I talk about the other options, so here the first option on the left hand side you get is campaigns, from where you will manage all your campaigns. You can select the campaigns. When you have multiple campaigns, it will show here, and you can select them, and you can see what is the performance or what is the conversion and matrices regarding that particular campaign or particular ad group. Here Google Ads algorithm shows you multiple recommendation in this tab, that based on your previous data or whatever data you have generated so far, these are the recommendations, and based on those recommendations you can select whether to apply or not. It is not always compulsory that you follow all the recommendations as it is. Then there is option called insights and report. It means the report about your ads, where your ads are being shown, what are the competitors, how your ad campaign is performing, performing as compared to your competitors, report editor, dashboard. These are the options again related to campaign only. Then here you can see the same campaigns which you can select here: campaigns, experiment, campaign, groups. If you want to club 2 or more campaigns in a particular group, you can do that. Then audience, keyword and content. So for each and every campaign, what are the audience, keywords, location you have selected, that you can see here. And the change history, it means whatever changes you have done so far, it will show you in terms of a history, so that you can get to know, okay, what was the last change which I made, and maybe if something goes wrong, then you can identify and diagnose that, okay, after this change my ad performance went down, and you can undo that change. So this was about the campaign option. The second option here you get is about goals. Of course, every campaign require a particular goal to be achieved, and in order to achieve that goal, you measure some kind of conversion, or you set up some kind of conversion tracking, because until unless you set up some kind of mechanism which can track the data about your users, what are they performing, or what kind of actions they are performing on your website or application, what kind of content they are consuming, what kind of page they are visiting the most, till the time if you don't collect this data and send it back to the Google dashboard, you will not be able to get more and more conversions. And since Google Ads algorithm works on machine learning, it means it needs data to be trained, to be optimized. So it is important to set up your conversion, and there are various options under the conversion. Same as measurement, if you go to measurement, there are other options as well. So it is about the goal setting and measurement tracking. Then you come to the third option, that is called tools. So here, different tools are there. So planning, shared library, creator partnership, content suitability, data manager, troubleshooting, bulk action, budget and bidding, and business data. Don't worry, in this entire series we will cover each and every option in detail, and I will also try to show my client's account with, of course, prior permission, that how the actual data looks like, how the actual conversion looks like, so that you can get an understanding that, okay, this is something which we can expect, or this is the kind of data we analyze when we run the Google Ads campaign. So this is the third option, that is called tools. Then we have billing, that is to, of course, add the payment method, to make the payment, to download the invoice, and to manage overall billing related things in your Google Ads account. Then finally is admin. So here are the options, like you can share the access of your Google Ads account with someone else. Let's say you hired some agency or a freelancer to manage your account, so you can give them a manager access or maybe admin access. Other thing is like access and security, preference, account settings. You can link multiple things, like you can link your YouTube account, you can link other account, and we will learn all these things, because in order to run multiple type of campaigns, we will need to link multiple types of platform to Google Ads, so that we can get easy access and we can perform much better. So these are the options that you get. On the top, if you see search, whatever you want to search in the entire Google Ad account, that is something you can search from here. Ads Advisor, this is a new option. I will talk about in detail in upcoming videos. Appearance, you can change the appearance like large, medium, small, extra large. This is the spacing. Then of course you can refresh the data, because you are not supposed to load the data again and again here. You can just click on refresh and the dashboard will be refreshed. Then for here, help, any kind of help you can click here. Notification, what are the notification that has come to your Google Ad dashboard, maybe related to payment, maybe related to other things, maybe related to new updates. So all the notifications will come here. And here is your ad account ID, that is a 10-digit account ID, and this is your mail ID that you have used. So this is the dashboard which looks like this. And of course there is a mobile application for Google Ads account. So if you are someone who wants to monitor your Google Ads more frequently, then you can download the app from the Play Store and the App Store, and you can monitor all the campaigns on a daily basis, frequently basis, so that you are not supposed to take out your laptop or tablet every time just to monitor the campaign performance. So guys, this is a video in which we understood the overall account structure of Google Ads and what is the campaign structure looks like inside the Google Ads account dashboard. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice